So this is the AP Stats Quideo number 1. So for the first question, we have a 1993 Forbes magazine that's reporting the salaries of the top 59 small businesses, and it gives the data and a chart, and then asks us to describe the shape, center, and distribution spread in a histogram. So here we have the histogram with the number of businesses being on the y-axis and the CEO salaries on the x-axis, and we have it spread out 10 different histogram plots, and it seems we have an apparent outlier over here, and that apparent outlier is going to be at 11,300,000 or 1,103,000. Then it's going to be skewed right because we can see that the median is somewhere in between this range of 300 and 400. And then there's a lot more, or a lot less of spread on the right side. Then the maximum is going to be at the 1,103K, and then the minimum is going to be at 21K. So for the advanced question, it asks us to basically summarize the data with the militiamen and their chest sizes and the number of people with that certain size, and ask us to make a histogram, the shape, center, and spread, and why this information would be useful. So here we have the histogram, and just looking straight out the bat, you can tell that it's approximately normal. And the 5-number summary, the minimum is going to be 33, quarter 1 is going to be 38, 41 being the median, 42 being quarter 3, and 48 is the maximum. And a good reason to know why this data would be useful is just in case they wanted to mass produce the chest measurements for the sizes of the clothing. So for the AP question, here it gives us 3 different graphs and asks us to describe the distributions. So for the first time, or for River X, you can tell that on this side the distribution is over 50% on the right side. So that's going to make this graph skewed right. For River Y, you can tell that the distribution is about even on both sides, making this graph approximately normal. And then for River Z, the left side is more than 50%, so it's going to be skewed left. So for part B, it gives us basically the given x values, and asks us to make a stem plot. And the left side is going to be the ones, and then the right side is going to be the tenths, decimals. And judging from this data, you can tell there's a higher concentration in 4 and 5, but you can't really tell that from that part of the graph. So if you take a closer look at these numbers in part C, then you can tell that there's a gap between 5.6 and 7.3 ppm of Aldrin, which is the rivers. And the graph is also, or the gap is also not shown in the graph. Thank you.